All right, mulch service. This is a service that's typically done in springtime and early summer. So what does our service include? So our service includes raking up all the old mulch that you already have down, hauling that away to the dump, pulling out any weeds that are growing up, and once again hauling that away. After that, we're going to come around and we're going to edge all of the all the edges in between the grass and the garden bed if there's no border in between there, and we're gonna do that at a 90-degree angle, make that look crisp and clean. We're gonna come around. We'll take a weed whacker and we'll go over it again to make sure that it's that real crisp look that you would want. So one of the options you do have when getting mulch installed is to put down landscaping fabric. This is going to reduce having to get your pull your weeds out, and it's going to create like another layer of protection, so weeds can't pop up through the mulch, and there's going to be less maintenance involved in doing that. After that, we're going to bring in the mulch and we're going to hand spread it down. We do bring in mulch in bulk. We do not buy it in bags. If you go to like a Lowe's or Home Depot or somewhere and you buy like a bag of mulch, or say a few bags of mulch, you're going to find a couple of things typically. Number one is they may not be the same shade of whatever color you're choosing. So if you're getting black mulch, you may have a lighter bag of black mulch and then a really dark bag of black mulch. That doesn't really spread and become even, and that doesn't really look good. Number two is I often find that there are bags of mold. Like, yeah, I mean, you open the bag up and there's mold and mulch, and I'm not bringing that near your home, near your foundation. That's not good. So we always bring it in from a local supplier who can where the mulch is always fresh, and it's always going to be a higher quality than what you would if you were to go to like a big box retailer and get that type of mulch. All right, and we're going to hand spread that down and we're going to make it smooth. One of the things that we do is we're going to make sure that the mulch is spread even with the brick line. You may find that if your brick line is sitting here, you may have the mulch line starting here, but it may start to kind of creep up, and it kind of looks like an angle. Okay, but the way that we do it is we make it so it's nice and level and there's no difference in height there. Okay, we're going to spread that down, we're going to make it look good, and we're going to make it to the way that you would want that to be done.